Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. Do your feet get hot and sweaty? If so, you have to check out these KODAL Copper ankle socks. These are my husband's socks. He loves them because they really help keep his feet from sweating, and of course then they don't stink. These are made with a cotton and copper yarn blend that creates a moisture wicking technology to keep your foot from overheating and sweating. Aside from the excellent moisture wicking technology, these are super comfortable. I can actually attest to that because I have been known to steal my husband's socks on more than one occasion. And these have a really nice arch compression that makes them really comfortable. A heel tab to keep the back of your shoe from rubbing your ankle raw. The quality is fantastic. He's ordered these socks on more than one occasion, and his first set probably lasts him a couple years. So we definitely stand by the quality. My husband absolutely loves them. And that's our point of view.